This is what my back used to look like, hunched over like a hunchback. In this video, I'll show you the back workouts I do at the gym that have improved my posture from that to this. I always start by stretching my back, and trust me, this step is super important. It warms up your muscles and gets your body ready to perform at its best during the workout. Plus, it helps prevent injury, which is always a win. Make sure you stick around until the end because I'll be showing you my 2 favorite exercises and 2 simple stretches you can easily do at home to improve your posture. Please keep in mind that I am not a professional trainer. I'm simply sharing what's been working for me on my posture journey. If you struggle with hunchback look like I did, these workouts might help you too. For the first workout, I jump into the T-bar row. I like to switch it up by using both a wide grip and a close grip. I do 4 sets of 8 reps total, 2 sets with each grip. This combo really targets different parts of your back for a well-rounded workout. Next, I head over to the front pull down machine, but here's a little twist. Instead of pulling straight down, I like to do it from the side. This helps target the sides of my back for a more balanced workout. I do 3 sets of 8 reps on each side to really feel the burn and engage those muscles. Next up is the seated row machine, and this one is a personal favorite. What I love about it is that I can work one arm at a time, which really helps me focus on isolating each side of my back for a balanced workout. I challenge myself by going as heavy as I can while still keeping a good form. I do 3 sets of 8 reps on each arm. After that, I make my way to the cable machine to do the seated cable row. This move is great for targeting the middle of your back and helping to build that strong, upright posture. I focus on keeping my form clean, pulling the handle toward my core, and really squeezing my shoulder blades together with each rep. It's a simple but super effective exercise. I also stick around at the cable machine for wide grip pull downs. These are great for targeting the upper back. I make sure to pull the bar all the way down to my chest while keeping my form controlled and steady. After that, I switch to close grip pull downs on the same machine. This move hits a slightly different part of the back, giving you a well-rounded workout. Alright, now we're getting to one of my absolute favorite exercises, reverse pull downs. I love this one because I can really feel it targeting the muscles that need extra strengthening to improve my posture. Another one of my absolute favorite exercises is the reverse delt machine. This one really focuses on the upper back and shoulders, helping to strengthen those key muscles that support good posture. I always feel like it hits just the right spots. And to wrap things up, I always take a few minutes to stretch my back using this foam roller. Stretching is so important, and the best part is that you can easily do these at home too. If you don't have a foam roller, no worries. You can use anything similar that gets the job done. It's a simple but effective way to help improve your posture and relieve tension. Like I mentioned at the beginning, I'm not a professional trainer, just sharing what's been working for me. So if you have any tips or suggestions, I'd love to hear them. So just drop them in the comments section below. And of course, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.